Hey y'all, so welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to put on your press-on nails to prep and put on. This is my Adidas Glam set. You can purchase this on my website, and I also have other exclusive nail sets that you could choose from. So it's just really up to you on what you want to do. Um, I have a nail prep kit that you'll receive with a mini nail file, a mini nail buffer, a wooden pusher, alcohol wipe. I'm just gonna use this alcohol for right now. Cuticle remover. In the description below, I'll link the product that I'm using, and you can probably order off Amazon or any nail warehouse that you have around your area. A nail clipper and nail glue. I provide the nail glue for you as well in your kits. So right now I'm just gonna do like a prep on, like a little manicure prep. So I'm just gonna soak my hands in the water, and I'm gonna soak it for a little while. Also wash your hands before you prep your nails. But right now I wash my hands. Now I'm soaking it in the water. Just want to make my nail bed soft, cuticle soft. So before I start to remove the excess oil, so that my false nails can stick perfect. Because when you do this, I promise you, your nails will last all day, for days, weeks. It won't go anywhere. I promise you. So now that I'm done soaking my hands into the water, I'm just going to get ready to get my alcohol and my paper towel. And I'm just going to go on each finger and pretty much rub the excess oil off my nail bed. And if you have like a cotton pad or anything, that can work as well. In the kits that I provide for you, I give you alcohol wipes. So yes, so you can use the alcohol wipe to wipe off any excess oil on your nail bed. Now I get the nail clipper, and I am going to clip my nails down. And the reason why I do this is because when I apply my false nail, I want it to lay perfectly onto my nail. So by me trimming them down just a bit, it gives it that perfect fit that I'm looking for. Now that I'm done clipping my nails, I'm going to take my mini nail file, and I'm just going to go on each finger and shape my nails how I would like them. All right, now that I am done filing my nails down, I am going to take the wooden nail pusher and the cuticle remover, and on each nail, I'm just gonna put the cuticle remover on each nail, rub it in just a little bit, and I'm gonna take my wooden pusher, and I am just going to pretty much push my cuticles back and get rid of some of that excess cuticle. And I'm going to do it on each hand. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let each hand soak just a few minutes, just a couple of minutes. And I'm going to just switch to the next hand because I want it to, get nice and soft. All right, after I let each hand soak, I am getting ready to take my mini nail buffer, and I am going to go ahead and buff my nails real nice and neat, just to take any oil off my nail. And when I am finished buffing my nails, I am going to put a little cuticle oil on my nails, and then I'm going to rub it in real good, and then I'm going to soak my nails once more just so I can take that excess oil off my nail, just to make sure that my plate is nice and clean, and that when I'm getting ready to apply my press-ons, they stick perfectly. Now that I have my nails already prepped and they're ready, nice and clean, oil free from the nail bed, I am going to get ready to take my Adidas Glam Set thumb, and I'm getting ready to apply. And how I apply this, be very careful. You see how I'm taking it? You kind of want to put the glue all over the nail plate and like spread it out. And then you're going to take it and you're going to take the end and you're going to kind of push it down until where you push your cuticle, and you're going to press it on there. And I say hold it a good 5 to 7 seconds down. Make sure you have it on there the way that you want it. And yeah, you're just going to watch me apply all my nails. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go thumb to thumb, and I'm going to go all the way thumb to thumb to my pinky, instead of doing one hand right out, my one right hand and then one left hand. I just like to go side from side, for side. But it's your preference. It's really up to you. But yeah, you're just going to watch me put the glue, spread it all over, and just apply these beautiful glam nails. So keep watching. So these are how the nails look after you prep and put on. Super cute, super dope. So just check out my website. The link will be in the description below. And I'll see you next time.